How to create a one-time card on Klarna app. Creating a one-time card on Klarna app is quite easy and simple. Just you have to stick to the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to create a one-time card on Klarna. Before proceeding towards the video, you need to know what is actually one-time card on Klarna. The Klarna one-time card lets you shop and pay securely at any Visa accepting store in the US, and you can create one in the Klarna app using the steps outlined here. First of all, you simply need to log into your Klarna app. Click on the login button at top right corner of the screen. You can easily enter all your credentials regarding to the Klarna application and log into your account. Once you get access to the home screen, you need to click on the home button at the bottom left corner of the screen and then navigate to the one-time card option at the bottom of the screen. Once you have done that, you need to set the spending amount, including shipping, and link your credit or debit card. And that is how you easily create a one-time card on Klarna. Remember that it's worth noting that this card is valid for 24 hours. So that's it. That's how we easily create a one-time card on Klarna. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then the like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching.